Hi, second grade. I wanted to go over word study for Tuesday, April 14th. I think I've got that right. We're at home all the time, and I don't know what day it is or what the date is, but um, this is your Tuesday word study lesson and assignments. So the first thing I would like for you to do, well, this week we're talking about conjunctions, and um, we've been working a lot on random things in word study, nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, subject, predicate, and I want you to make the connection that we're learning all of this so that we can become better writers. And so I want you to apply what we've been learning in word study to make your writing better. And so the first thing we've got to do to become good writers is to write complete, strong sentences. And so think about all these things we've been learning, and we need to make sure when we're writing complete sentences. And so this week, we're learning about conjunctions, which is a fancy word for a word that connects two phrases or clauses or two simple sentences. It's a word that connects those to make a strong, good sentence. And so the first thing I want you guys to do is to watch this video. It's something that I always enjoy showing to my students. It's a show from a long, long time ago, even before I was born, but it's just a quick little fun video about conjunctions. So watch that, and then after that, you'll watch this lesson. So this is the one that I really want you to focus on and watch about conjunctions. And then there's an assignment that you'll have posted in Google Classroom. And if you look here, this is where I'm posting this empty spot right here. I'm recording this video that I'll post here to let you know what you need to do. So you'll go to your Google Classroom, and so just to review, so conjunctions, there is a special thing that we remember to help us know what conjunctions are. So that is fanboys, and you'll learn this in the video lesson that you watch, but this has helped me. Fanboys, for, and, nor, but, or, yet, or so. So these are just some short but and simple words that we use to connect two phrases or two simple sentences to make a good, strong sentence. So for example, we use for here, it's in red. And let's listen to the sentence. We listen eagerly. That could be a sentence by itself. It's complete. And we could put a period here at the end, and it would be a complete sentence. We have a subject, we, and a predicate. What did we do? We listen eagerly. So that's a sentence by itself, but we use the conjunction here. So in this case, our conjunction is for to make a compound sentence or a complex sentence. So instead of we listen eagerly, period, we say we listened eagerly, comma, for he brought news of our families. The second one is and I'm just going to go through two of these. You'll watch the video. So again, the first part of this sentence is a complete sentence on its own. She didn't speak to anyone. That's a complete sentence. It has a subject and a predicate. But we added this other little bit. We used this conjunction and made a stronger compound sentence. So now instead of she didn't speak to anyone, it's now she didn't speak to anyone, comma, and nobody spoke to her. So these are our conjunctions, and this is how we make stronger sentences. Oops, let's X that out. After that, you'll go to the next slide. And here we have, this is something that you guys should be familiar with. We have 3 columns and then 3 options. So we're sorting these things into these columns. So the first column says, what are conjunctions? The second one says, why do we use conjunctions? And the third one says, how many conjunctions are there in total? So you probably can't answer these right now, but you will after you've read or listened to the lesson. And so what you'll do, like we always do, is you'll take these and drag them to the correct column. So we've got 7. And then here we've got words that join phrases, sentences, or clauses together. And then this last one, to make writing better and easier to understand. Hopefully you could answer all of these if you've been listening to my short video here. But that should be quick and easy for you to do. After that, just a reminder, don't have this in present mode. What you'll do here is it says drag the conjunctions into the circle. So all you're doing is taking these 7 conjunctions, fanboys, and then you're dragging them into the circle. And that's all you're doing here. You're just dragging all of these conjunctions, which all of these in green are conjunctions, and then you're going to move them into the circle. After that, this is the last thing you'll do. You have sentences right here in this first column. So I'm going to read the first sentence for you. It says, we are hungry and thirsty. So what you're going to do here, you'll see there is a text box, and in the column it says, what is the conjunction? So you're going to read that sentence and tell me what's the conjunction. So think about fanboys and the lesson that you're going to listen to, and tell me what is the conjunction. So we are hungry and thirsty. In this case, the conjunction is and. So you're going to type it in here. And then once you're done, you'll turn it in. And that will be it for your word study assignment for today. We'll continue working on conjunctions, and on, I guess it'll be Thursday, since we're on a 4-day week. So you'll have writing tomorrow and word study again on Thursday. And so you're going to actually apply what you've learned about conjunctions, and you're going to apply that to writing some good, strong sentences on Thursday. If you have any questions, as usual, contact your teacher. I'm sorry I'm losing my voice. And we'll be on GoGuardian. You can reach us on Dojo or on Google Hangouts if you need anything. Happy learning. I'll talk to you Thursday. Bye.